Shortcut keystrokes save you a ton of time. Here are some shortcuts that are used often, and all you have to do is remember two letters, E and U. This layer contains an effect, keyframes, and an expression. To reveal effects on any layer, press E. To reveal expressions, press EE. To reveal keyframes, press U. To reveal all the properties that have been adjusted or affected in any way, press UU. In our example, notice how the drop shadow, along with all of its settings, as well as position, scale, and rotation, were revealed when I pressed UU. The reason is because our drop shadow settings have been adjusted from their default values. Position contains keyframes, scale has been adjusted from its default value of 100%, and rotation contains an expression. These properties, and only these properties, have been altered in some way, which is what UU reveals to us. The next time you need to reveal affected properties, as well as effects, expressions, or keyframes, remember the letters E and U. Just remember when to press these keyboard shortcuts once or twice.